Good morning everyone. ChatGPT has recently come out with an amazing feature called GPT Search Extension. For people who use ChatGPT a lot for any search, it has given the option in the toolbar. If you ask anything, it is going to take ChatGPT as a main response source. So this is a choice by some of the people who are using ChatGPT. If they want to do that, you just click this, get this. You can just add to Chrome, add extension. Once this is added, if you can see, this particular thing is showing here, and then you can go to search. Like suppose you go to search here and ask a specific question, like let me close this, open a new bar. How to create a good LinkedIn post. So now if you see, I type this question on the toolbar and I'm getting this particular thing that is there. So many people, if they are searching for news items or something, it may not be a good option, but if you're asking something like how to or what series, then this is a very good option. You are not getting multiple search bars and everything. You are just getting this particular thing that is there, and you're getting the sources as well, how it is picking up here. You can also look, if you are searching for something like decoding data science, you don't know the website. If you click this, you may not get a proper response, like but you get some web pages, like you get this the web page. If you are searching for specific how to, you'll get the response. If you're searching for specific websites like decoding data science, you get the website. Like here you get the overview and the different things that are there about decoding data science. Everything is looking fine. You can also look at the sources of this, all the sources that it has used, mostly from our community platforms. Everything it has used, and it has given us an output. So this is one way of looking at it. If you want to use it, use it. And now every time if you don't want to use this, you have to go back to extension, and then you need to open extension, and you need to make this by default. You have to close it. Now if I search back anything like decoding data science, if you just search, now you'll get Google. So this is something that people can use, people cannot use, but by default, if you keep it on, it is always going to take your toolbar as a Google search, as a ChatGPT search extension. Let's see how it goes. I will still prefer Google over ChatGPT for searching as of now, but let us see what happens in the future. Thank you, and see you in the next video.
And begin your journey toward AI-enabled excellence. Transform your AI strategy. Transform your leadership. Transform your future.